Hazrat Abu Idris states that Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu said, I, along with a contingent, swore an allegiance to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, I approve your oath of allegiance on that you will not associate any partner with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, nor commit larceny, nor commit adultery, nor kill your progeny, nor calumniate anyone, fabricating it between your hands and feet, nor disobey me in performing good deeds. Whoso amongst you fulfills this pledge, his reward is with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And whoso amongst you perpetrates any of these sinful acts and is awarded punishment in this world, that will be an expiation from and a purity for him. And whoso is screened by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, his matter is up to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whether he Jalla Jalaluhu may chastise him or pardon him. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7468.